My flame of love is burning. It is so great that I cannot keep it any longer within me. It leaps out of you with explosive power. When it pours out, my love will destroy the satanic hatred that contaminates the world. The greatest number of souls will be set free. Nothing like this has existed before. This is my greatest miracle that I will do for all. My words are crystal clear. Do not misinterpret them. Otherwise, you would be responsible. Act quickly. Do not postpone my cause for another day.